Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one question that came today, and it happens from time to time, we often talk about different settings like mouse settings within Windows. And of course, if you go into the settings app or search for mouse, you'll have mouse settings of all sorts. But sometimes the problem with this is that this goes with mouse. It might actually sometimes also change some of the settings for a trackpad, but it ain't always the case. And the reason why is if you have a laptop and your laptop has, of course, a touchpad or a trackpad on it's just below the keyboard, very often it wants to have and will have its own settings. And those settings very often are not within Windows. There is something that usually is installed for many companies, many manufacturers will have that. And it's the Synaptics touchpad or trackpad software. And this is what often will actually have the settings for your own computer, your own laptop, or if you have a keyboard that has its own trackpad or touchpad, it might have that also. So how do you know and what should you do about it if you want to have full control of that pad and the settings and like the speed of mouse, the speed of the pointer, the scrolling speed, even some of the features like multiple touch, one finger tap, two finger, three, four, which have all different functionalities. Often it has to do with an extra piece of software that is installed. So if you can't find in Windows any way to change some of those settings, then what I suggest is you go to your manufacturer website. So Asus or Dell or a Lenovo or whatever the company, Acer, the company that made your laptop or the keyboard that you're using. It could be like a Logitech keyboard. Well, go and check out Logitech's website. And what's going to happen there is that you'll have when you find your model number, you'll have different software that can be downloaded for your PC. And there's a good chance that one of them will be something that has to do with the trackpad or the touchpad, and that it's a piece of software you'll download, and that will have its own features and settings that you can change for your device. So it's very important to check that out. Often it's better to pass or go through the manufacturer of your computer because of that, because it will have the proper software for controlling all of the functionalities in there. So check it out, and go see the manufacturer's website. Find your model number. There's a sticker on your PC somewhere with a serial number or a model number. Find your specific model and then look at what is in the download section. You might see something that has to do with either keyboard, trackpad, touchpad, stuff like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.